Hi, I am Engineer Hassan Adil. The topic of this video is how to make a S-curve in Primavera P6 when you do not have the resources or the cost in your program. I will explain it to you. Select the first activity of your program and select expenses on your bottom layout. If you do not have the expenses in the bottom layout, right click here, customize the activity details and select the expenses from here to outside, apply and the OK. Now you have the expenses here. You have select the activity, go to the option add. Now you have add the expense for this activity. For here, when you do not have the cost or the resources and you want to make the S-curve, just assign the 100 cost to your activity and give the actual cost to your activity equal to your performance percentage. For example, my first activity is 60% complete. I will give it the actual cost as 60%. Now I will do the same to all the activities. I will also add an expense here. I will also give the 100 value to the budgeted cost here, and to the actual cost it's 50%. Select 50%. I will select here the activity usage profile. Now it is on the bottom. I want to show in the display. I'll go to the print preview. Here I also want the activity usage profile. I will go to the options and select the profile option from here, apply the OK. But I do not want these activities here. Now you can see that these red lines are showing the planned values of your program and the blue line are showing the actual values. You want to show the S-curve also in this histogram. You will right click here. You will click activity user profile options. Here you will select the cumulative in the budgeted value and cumulated in the actual value and apply it. You can also change the color from here. You can apply it. Okay. Again click the print preview. Here it is showing you, the red line is showing you the planned S-curve of your project and the blue line is showing you the actual curve of your project, and these vertical bars are the histograms to show your planned value and your actual value. This is the way if you do not have the resource or the cost in your program, but you can make a S-curve to see your project, in which months you have planned your work more and when you need the more resources, when you need the more staff, and how your actual progress is going against the plan. Here we see in the first week of the first month we have planned up to this work, but our actual work was not according to the plan. In the second month is same, but in the third week we see that our actual is near to the plan, but in the fourth week our actual work is increasing more than planned. So in this way, if you do not have the resources at the cost, but still you can analyze your project through the S-curve. Thank you for watching this video.